Here's the point. Prompt engineering is just the instructions. Context engineering is the files, docs, and the tree snippets you feed the model. Harness engineering is the code around it, the runtime, tools, sandboxes, validators, and state machine that make the agent behave like a system, not a chatbot. Prompt engineering tweaks what you say. That's it. Better wording, better formatting, better instructions. Context engineering manages what the model can see, task context, file inputs, RAG, memory summaries. It stops the agents from guessing, but it still needs a system that keeps it honest. This is where harness engineering matters. We spin up an isolated Claude sandbox. The agent can run shell commands safely. It can inspect files, execute tests, and modify code without touching the real machine. The sandbox is not the feature, it's the containment layer. The harness controls execution, permissions, and feedback. This is what turns an LLM into an autonomous worker. Next is the state loop. We put project rules in an external config file, prog.json, docs file, a Claude MD style guide. That becomes persistent state outside the model. No re-explaining the repo every turn. This is the trick. The agent does not have to remember everything. The harness reveals the real state on every pass. The model stays focused on the current step, not on bloated chat history, not a programmable hook. A validation hook catches the failing test before the agent spirals. It intercepts the error, clears the context window completely, and forces a fresh start with only one minimum task state restored. That's the self-correction cycle, no context rot. The agent comes back clean, rereads the task, rechecks the failure, and fixes the code with a clean slate. So the difference is simple. Prompt engineering tells the model what to do. Context engineering gives it the right information. Harness engineering builds the machine that keeps it running, checking, retrying, and recovering until the work is actually verified. And that's the missing link for autonomous agents. Not smarter prompts, not more context, a real harness that keeps the agent inside the loop until the job is done correctly.